guys, it's me again, Miles Joy Vlogs, and I'm going to cook fried rice for my beautiful baby. So come join with me. What is this?
Happy.
And what I'm cooking?
Fried rice.
Fried rice. Is it your favorite?
Oh.
Yeah, this is cabbage and what?
Rice.
No, garlic. And rice. Brown rice is healthy. This rice is our leftover last night, and yeah, it's good to fry than to reheat in the microwave. So I fried luncheon meat and egg first. So ready to mix in my fried rice. And we're going to mix and mix it properly. Plus I have tiny dried fried little shrimp here. I'm going to mix it and mix more, so the fried rice will taste so yummy. And I'm going to sprinkle some seasoning like Maggi sauce. So delicious. It's so delicious. Now my fried rice is ready to eat. Alicia couldn't wait any longer anymore, so let's give it to her. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Love you all.